Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So in this one, I want to talk about another useful, editing tool or IDE that is actually very popular as well, beside PyCharm. And this is like pretty much one of the most commonly used code editing tools in the world. And you're going to see it all over the place. I just want you to be familiar with it a little bit if you end up actually seeing it somewhere, so you're not like confused on what that person is using, what they're using. So the tool we're talking about here is called the Visual Studio Code, and this is like as I said, it's a very capable code editor and also IDE as well if you want to go that way with it. So it's free to download. I'm gonna leave a link for you guys in the resource section to download this. It's free to download, and one of the things that this does is that when you open it, actually it's gonna look like this. As you see, it's a very simple, minimalistic but very powerful tool. And what makes really the Visual Studio Code special is the fact that it has a massive library of extensions. So for example, when you actually install it, it really is just a code editor. But like if you want to, for example, code in Python, you need to search for Python, right, in the extension section, and you need to just click on it and install Python. In my case, I've already installed it. As you see, it says install, but for example, if it's going to look like this and you want to click install, and just like that, it installs like the entire Python library, and you're ready to go, and you can actually now code in Python. It's really cool. It's a very useful thing, and again, it's a very powerful tool for yourself to start coding in. And again, if you for some reason feel like the PyCharm is not the one, you can use this as well. As I said, they're kind of the same. I like PyCharm more because it's more like obviously dedicated to Python. It has a lot of other features that Visual Studio Code doesn't, and you might have to manually install these using extensions. But all in all, they're both really great tools. But throughout this course, as I said, you're going to be mainly seeing me using PyCharm because that's just a tool that I personally like. But but this one as well is available. So I'm going to leave a link for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and if not, I'll see you in next lessons.